Segi Maju Capital Jangka Sedang Berhad is the Facility Management Department, where it is one of the UiTM Jangka Support Service, and it is responsible for the delivery of service as well as the upkeep of university. When a complaint is made using the UiTM Pahang Jangka e-complaint system, it will probably be sent to the Facility Management Department or the specific unit in charge of dealing with maintenance-related concerns. In addition, all complaints will be handled by the UiTM Jangka Concession Center, which is operated by the company Segi Maju Capital Jangka Sedang Berhad. This company is responsible for the design, development, construction and complete of facility and infrastructure, as well as the asset management of buildings that have been constructed. From there, the worker will start to accept any task to do repair work at UiTM Pahang Jangka.
As we can see, e-complaint is a customer feedback system designed to address the issue related to UiTM. This system offers customers, specifically students, a platform to express their concern regarding various facilities provided by UiTM, such as electrical, mechanical, telecommunication, civil, landscape and infrastructure. To utilize the e-complaint facilities, students are required to have internet access or mobile data to submit reports about any broken or maintenance-related facility. But sometimes, the system has too many people using it, and it can handle all the traffic. This causes the server to crash or work really slow. So, when the student have a bad internet connection, they can use the system website to complain, and they have to go to the office in person. This makes things even harder because it takes more time and effort. In short, we need to fix this problem to make it easier for students to complain.
Thank you, Dahlia. Next, I will continue with the problem statement faced by students and staff in the current system, which is the first one is unstable system. To raise a complaint, student must visit to the website provided by the UiTM concessionaire and provide their information. However, occasionally, there are issues with the system that prevents students from accessing the website since it is constantly stuck. When students try to lodge concern, the website frequently crashes, especially on busy days when many students access the same page at once. Student has trouble connecting to the server since it is take longer and necessitates a page refresh before the system can be accessed again. Second is difficult and complex system. For new student who wants to use the website system involved, it is quite difficult and require many steps that needs to be followed, causing many students to ask for guidance from an expert to make a complaint in the system involved. Next is problem faced by staff in handling the system may cause document filing error. They are required to properly review and document any facility complaint they receive throughout the semester, as there is a high likelihood that they will result in incorrect paperwork being filed. Hence, it is difficult for the staff to detect complaints and take immediate corrective action due to the high volume of complaint in that one semester. Next, lack of staff. Currently, there is only one employee assigned to the complaint system, which is disproportionately small given amount of labor involved in maintaining it. After all, a significant number of complaints are filed each day. Due to the lack of staff, problems are addressed and resolved more slowly, which ultimately lowers the level of service. And lastly, insufficient room for records. The UiTM concessionaire is currently facing the challenge of insufficient space to store records effectively. This issue arises from the significant number of facility complaints received throughout the semester, requiring adequate storage capacity. To address this issue, it is crucial for the concessionaire to allocate space to maintain efficient record management practices and prevent potential damage or loss of records.
Let's go through into the objective of the new system. Our primary aim is to make it more user-friendly, ensuring a better experience when reporting complaints. Then, to streamline the complaint process itself, we want to make it more efficient and remove any unnecessary steps. This will make it easier for users to report their complaints, saving both their time and the time of the system administrator. Then, by recognizing the prevalence of the smartphones and tablets, we also aim to design a mobile-friendly system. Next, the efficient handling of the complaints. We plan to automate the certain tasks within the complaint management process, such as routing a complaint to the relevant departments or personnel. This automation will expedite the resolution process and ensure that complaints receive timely response, leading to higher user satisfaction. Lastly, we strive to enhance the accuracy of document filing in the facility complaint process. The new system aims to minimize the error in filing, ensuring that complaints are properly documented for easy retrieval and reference. What can be said? All of these objectives are aimed at providing a more seamless and satisfactory experience for users when reporting their complaint. The new system aims to provide a convenient mobile access for reporting complaints, a user-friendly mobile app, a notification to keep user update, and the ability to attach a media file and efficient backup management features for administrators to handle and resolve complaints effectively.
Using the new system, there are several benefits that will be obtained by students and staff at UiTM. The first one, simpler process, which is the new system using a prototype, make it easy for users to install it on their mobile phone, and the process of making a complaint is easy because it is already at the fingertips. Other than that, transition from manual to automated, save space for records. With the use of new prototype, that is more convenient because this manual system will be completely automated. This method will save a lot of storage space for records, and the record will be uniform and not mixed with the record made using manually. Moreover, save time and effort, as every time student wanted to make a complaint, they had to log in by filling in their name, student ID, password, and so on. But it is no longer, because the latest system does not require the user to fill in all the data for the second time when they want to make a complaint, after all the data has been stored in the system when the user make a complaint for the first time. And lastly, quick response and no delay in maintaining the facilities. This is because when the user is ready to make a complaint record, their complaint will be immediately received by the maintenance party, making it easier for them to make maintenance action immediately within 24 hours of complaint, causing the complainant not have to wait 2 or 3 days for the maintenance party to come.
I will explain student new system process. In the new system, student will use a mobile complaint application. It's called Go Complaint. In the first step, student will open the Go Complaint apps and log into their account. Student need to select the category as a student and enter the student ID and password that has been set. After successfully entering into the new account, the student will be requested to give information. Student need to fill out the form of complaint, such as the type of problem, and also be asked the detail of the problem. Following that, student will select a location that require room number, floor number, and block name information to facilitate the applicant house search. Finally, student must just hit the submit button and the staff will instantly notify the student. Meanwhile, for staff new system process, in the new system, staff also will use a mobile complaint application. It's called Go Complaint. In the first step, staff will open the Go Complaint apps and log into their account. Also, staff need to select the category as staff and enter the staff ID and password that has been set. After successfully entering into the account, the staff will get a new complaint, and the staff must review all complaints to determine which problem need to be addressed first. Following that, the staff must click on the staff work order to locate out more about the suitable schedule to be performed, as well as the preparation of things that must be brought. Then, the staff must notify the student via the application to obtain permission to visit the place. Only then will the team arrive to remedy the stat problem. When the repair is finished, the staff is prompted to update the complaint status in the system. Following that, staff and student must scan each other QR code to verify that the repair work has been done. Lastly, staff need to click submit to be used as a report.
First of all, this is the new system of the facilities complaint. Welcome to Go Complaint facility. In order to start with the complaint, the student must have to log in into the system first by clicking the next button to proceed. As the system brings you to the next page for the login process, choose the student tab, and the student have to type in their student ID and the password and click login. The application then will bring you to the home page of the complaint, where it will display setting, help desk, report complaint, and report status. Next, in order to make report complaint, the student needs to click the report complaint on the home page. It will automatically display the student profile details and some blank box which require the student to fill in. The information that student needs to fill in are location, block, number unit, type of damage, and details. Also, the student can attach media files such as photos or video to include in the report complaint as visual evidence. Once the student finishes filling in the information needed, the student needs to submit the complaint by clicking the submit button at the bottom, and the complaint is successfully submitted. Furthermore, right after the report complaint is complete, the student can review the repositories by clicking on the report status at the home page. In there, the student can see the details of the information received. The student can simply click the button at the top left to go back to the home page. Moreover, at the home page, the student can also review their profile by clicking button at the right bottom. Last but not least, the student needs to go back to the home page to log out from the system. Student need to simply click the right top bottom to log out from the system, and the student will automatically log out from the system and be directly to the first step, which is login segment. As for the conclusion, the renewal of the UiTM complaint system brings numerous benefits, not only to students but also to all the parties involved in managing the system. The upgraded system ensures convenience and efficiency by making complaint record easily accessible and enabling prompt and accurate actions by the responsible individuals. Moreover, the introduction of this new system demonstrates UiTM's commitment to delivering quality solutions that align with current technology and user needs. The enhancement of employees' performance will also be enhanced by the changes made to the complaint system. As a result, employees can now work more efficiently and effectively. Overall, the renewal of the UiTM complaint system not only enhances convenience and efficiency, but also showcases UiTM's dedication to providing quality systems that meet the demands of today's technology and users. The improvement made will positively impact employee performance, while students will enjoy a more user-friendly and accessible complaint process. That's all from us. Thank you.